Just a quick follow-up on our discussion earlier. I was actually just looking at the rules section, and there is a default row here for any eligible user. So from here, the user just types in one or however many approvals, and anyone that's a developer then could be an approver. I just noticed this must have been a recent release. But with that in mind, I just updated the designs. So there would be, in this case, just how it looks out of the box with no custom rules added. This, based on our conversation, would be the view, so that any eligible user row is already there, and then the two next ones. This is the case when, like Con was pointing out, when configuration is not enabled, and the subtext is just pointing out one or more of the security scans must be enabled, and then this more information could link to the quick start just to get the users up and running on the secure documentation page, and then just specifying license scanning if it's not enabled. So if one or more then of the security scanners is enabled, for example, with vulnerability check, we can change the call to action here to enable. And then when they click enable, it'll show the modal as is today, except that the vulnerability check is unable to be changed. That's a disabled form. And I believe that's already there in a previous merge request that Mo and Fernando did, but I just need to verify that with them. But otherwise, the subtext here in that case does show a little bit differently. It says requires approvals for vulnerabilities of critical higher unknown severity. So it's just being a little bit more specific about what the feature is, and it is available to them, so it's just kind of clarifying it. That came from a conversation with the technical writer on this issue, which is about showing these rules on the configuration page. But I will link that conversation too with Nick from the technical writing team, who helped write that for that rule in that case. And then this display is just showing when they are active already and they've satisfied the prerequisites of the configuration. And then the user could just click manage from there. Okay. Appreciate you checking this out. I will link this in the issue. Let me know if you have any thoughts or questions, and make sure this captured our conversation. Thanks.